Abusafo high juicy news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news enamede brabo. Na ansana and something in Abebano. So we subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe. Na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na we be here na wo hu and someone ekoso e wo Ghana me mo anam. Afi ye share eye and someone abeto yepno so. Inkuti AS report ya ababetu dwa momayiti AS report.
NPP internal election because 31st January 2026. Nana ebe blood you. Because when him say this week Adwoa Safo na sha say okoye campaign ama Dr. Bawumia na okoka Kennedy Agyapong asem. Yeah. Se Kennedy di matem di ma delegate nem to aba emma no. No se Kennedy winning by presidency a on the political future will be at risk and at stake. Na hona Kennedy Nkrofo no plan a response on Monday but enye easy kra 130 bi. Sebi in some kind I can't repeat those words here. But Kennedy camp I release statement at distance on you're officially part of the campaign team, and of course, and some kind it doesn't represent Kennedy Agyapong camp no view into no omo in chair. But to the extent say ubugu oba hu fin oni we yada. No, I don't think politics now say open doors for some of these things to happen.
First of all, mebo Kennedy Agyapong team na baso.
Obo ma baso.
O ma ya de bia eye me fe. And same circumstance or similar circumstance, but the response was different. I talked about leadership.
Okay.
And maybe on the issue of Dr. Bawumia. The response from the team, our supporters of Dr. Bawumia, we know what happened. When him say eno na mitie ba kokra, say na minim say yesi obi nso edi matema se me yokotiboto nyina minim
adedi bara
eh
hodo de kofo e de yare
say anam say na
onu le dware ana
ohu me kwati daben na ohu se me yokotiboto
to who refer to Abronye issue now by omanye
Abronye issue ni efieses na gade no meke ka nyoma na omu ye nse na ba ko bi ena na mitie ye
iza
chese mitie na esa ye mesre won say me this thing won say e na nkofo refi say me won focus FM na me ye show bi e friend campus filler
omunimo
na campus filler no na ye sarcastic show
yes concert
enti e betimi aka obi asema ha ye ni but no ni endi atem
of course
ni e kama ne sere ye exaggerate
oti hostel na
wo sere na ye te say oti ase enti mi hu sa anyoma na aya na normal enti mi te na ye mesere of course me family ndi omuntimi nti
yeah of course
aya na omunti ase say na ya miti a mesere no how are ya and I'm so those things but they had their people to flack me.
Wow.
To Bawumia supporters no to attack him attack him didi matem they wanted to do man me usra brobo.
So is it that you were expecting Bawumia team to release a statement to distance?
This was what Kennedy Agyapong has shown leadership, and that is why I am giving it to the team of Kennedy Agyapong. This is what I was expecting the Bawumia team to do, other than attacking me.
Okay.
Kennedy Agyapong called for natural actual leadership.
Wow.
Kennedy Agyapong called for no. And no actual leadership. One, Kennedy Agyapong, when he had the platform, never attacked the lady. Omani hu so your ba.
Look, I mean, this what can I say more?
There be obekai na say no can no say. Obeda obi na onim say o say me dana say power campaign.
But interview say the way campaign o do kwabenya.
Sanka ya kwenya say ko betimi actually the showdown.
Yeah, Matthias.
But Kennedy Agyapong as a responsible person, Kennedy Agyapong as a responsible father, as a responsible person odo oba no e what think who send the money into no one respond the way that people would have expected.
Okay, I get it. Yeah.
O show maturity one. Some maturity now o show you no. Ena esa mutum ena esa osa koye what do you call it? Was the team no so akase immediately because once I try e wo me Facebook.
Oh really?
Yes, I wrote it on my Facebook say I've turned on that video obi didi obatem. Na mimi de e yem krasisem e ye Jimmy
adendia
eye mu asem
say wana the oye na mu asem
na eye chio Adwoa Safo won se to da bia enu ti na semire bi omo se aseso mu attack sewa amehen no ye mu bi be ka so
be ka setia ya
be ka so mu nya san kwase asem no
ya be kai
sebi enya sewa for to send ho ofe.
Okay, it's natural.
So oba ho ofa, do you know the kind of pressure will come?
Go be ho opebi so be apade efe
O be no sebi out of love. So oba out of love, out of care, out of vulnerability, out of trust.
Ojano ho mawa.
Na ojano ho mawa. Bema wo be wie no ye jimi for ye krasini wa bodam. You are not courteous. Unim nyansa woni mfie. Because the point is that tetene na san kwase asem no girl my way no. Girl we my way no.
Acclaim.
No, those things, you know, aye.
And be abba.
Because it's say I na nkofo nim the spiritual aspect of the lady's vagina. There's a spiritual aspect of the lady's vagina that when you do something, na no one ko patch you. Na o can be a God because oye nyankopon ka achiri. And that is why the Bible said we should handle them according to intelligence, understanding. One can't say you know logical. You know about logical. You know a understanding
we
to
are
know.
Wrong, you say.
What you say? A compromise.
Yeah.
You need a lot of supernatural patience to handle a woman.
Wow.
Yes. When it comes to a woman, a supernatural, because the way they look at things, because God is a jealous God. Nyankopon said that this are nagging and jealous cinema oba.
Whining no.
Whining no. God whines. God is jealous. God nags.
The tree because Nyankopon chununkum.
Or chinunkum or chimanso or chikra.
Say Nyankopon edition no. Kristo ni.
Yes.
Who say wako wura ebia ami abosum demo a.
Yeah.
Who say wo yira.
Yeah.
Ebe ha no.
Or you're jealous. You understand? Enti o sheda and one for sa much of the jealousy ama bema.
Wow.
And no de ma oba. Say the bear at constantly no. Oba no every time no obetimi amu ani akuno ho because it is akra person nya attention or the esu
of course
and nya attention oba pa bibia or de esu ne kasa ne sanyom ni and nya sa ne nyankop enti oba kasa hye ne hwinim a nyankopon suba ni bia o kasa hye ne hwinim no.
Okay.
So if you don't understand the concept and no na who say e ma ha adwen no sa ne nyankopon hye da ye so mo ha adwen nyankopon ha adwen o. People don't know the other side of God. The feminine side of God and yet the feminine side of God.
Yeah.
And yet because God is a man and a woman at the same time. And that's what he created according to. And on this certain to be no say, oh dear love, we submit. But dwell with them according to understanding. Nyansa. Inti say oyire akeka nyome bi kra chewa. Oya beman.
Don't respond in equal
measure. You don't
measure. Respond
in because ube wie no. Bema wodi oba asib edinatem wajimi. You are a fool. You understand? Because ube di dinatem wie na wie a wo say kwa kope. There be and yet there's supposed to be a limit. What you say obetimi atia no. Hey, jankwada asem na wo ye no. Ade we ya wo ye emwaye jai. But anya wo na say na wo ba wa say na hwan na koi na we ne nya we ne and na we wajimi.
That
is what he was saying. Mentioning certain people's name. Hey, including the president. Do you know what it means?
You mean the former president?
The former president. Hey, okay, say. You busa say evidence where ya. Unya.
A dying point of evidence.
Enti sasem we wo kwa koka. Na president na Akufo Addo.
Eteki
Sammy ukuni na sefo eteki honor. Obeye den. And two. So oteki on mpokra na. Your friend say you true. Was it rape? Was it forced?
It was consensual.
It was consensual.
No problem.
And he is matured to decide which lady. Adwoa Safo so you mature to decide which man I should allow to enter my body. And now what dear?
They found Hoben.
Ah. And what does that call to do? Share Obama. Share the mayor. Obama, the president, the US president, former president. Share the mano. Ebikrano munum George. Obama name Ukrano. Now what is saying? Donald Trump. What you make us a mimit me so ba vagina mu. At the diagro. But people look at the capacity also.
Of course. And I see also.
Why not wo krom ha?
Nobody's perfect.
Politics asem. See ya na mo ye. Na ko create eduru baby jo mahama na papa enso na enye ono a. Enye ono na ye papa no.
It's a hunsa.
It is dangerous because in politics everything happens.
Na kwajo obi a research catch them say say nkura sese no. Effective vote ara.
No, but you see say nema enuntinema NPP for vote will come from no. Once Musa Damani Diabe, Sanyoma way because NPP encrassesem no adosu.
Say we for NPP way.
No, but that is the there are people who are supporting him.
Really?
Yes. There are people who are supporting him. Say
NPP.
Adwoa Safo ne koka Kennedy Agyapong. Odidi Kennedy Agyapong. No.
Oshedino.
He
which is allowed in politics.
Yes, he never insulted.
Of course, which is allowed in politics.
Say Papa ya minimum the one share ya. May it has risk. Odi say obi odidi matem. Yes, there's a record say Kennedy Agyapong so odidi matem. And so betimi use that. Aya politics. Sabi obi a body e beka no.
Yeah.
But in all no, I don't think she disrespected Kennedy Agyapong.
I'm surprised you are saying some people in NPP are supporting.
Oh yeah. We go to my page and people are saying no kind of say no say.
And you think that is affecting NPP?
That is really bringing NPP down because you see, one penphobia they're not talking. No, they are silent majority that they are not talking.
They are just watching.
NPP penphobia sympathizer. They are not talking.
They are just watching.
They will punish NPP. These are the things that we were telling NPP for no man to masino.
Wow.
The catch you say they are silent NPP majority phobia. They are waiting for you to bring Bawumia.
Now Takon.
They are waiting for you to bring Bawumia
so that we can punish you.
We can punish you. As 2024.
Yeah, you were saying
I kept on saying it.
Yeah.
And it's not just, you see, the issue is not even about Bawumia or Ken.
Of course.
But the point is that
party no.
Party ni nya kono. And to say a kofa bofo mpo right now be NPP 2028 obelusu.
That's a wunyaka.
Me say 2028 no. Party ni nya kono. Me say look at the data. NPP for now koyo mu data no mko say party no. How do people feel about the party? NPP for na enkoka. Let's be honest.
Musa dankwa bibia fa ho.
Musa dankwa na nso de aba o say now NDC e ko nanim NPP so te.
Hey,
including their strongholds no yeah no bono Asante na Safo. NDC kosoro MPP ko from ko Musa dankwa de no so.
Wow.
He's a credible ayi.
Oh, of course.
Opa nso akoye wo de.
No, but he's credible.
Ede no eduabo. We have kwa na time akrachefo ubodia. MPP tete hwan we di dwan ne hwan. Hey, abodia na de na hwan patade
na Kojo onye sure say I mean once I started video na Kennedy Agyapong baba so the team so mo be distance omo.
Yes,
but maybe they did that because of the severity of what the guy was saying.
At least they've shown leadership.
The question I want to ask you is that if you compare what the Tete guy did to commentary about Mianko for ya or man distance omo, different Kojo.
But that is what I'm saying. Say somebody is showing leadership, which is Ken. And the Bawumia team never showed leadership other than attacking.
Because Bawumia Campaign, it was not as severe as this one. Because we know allegations no can serious.
Na me dey na mkokan e. Abronye di obi atem.
Na say
Abronye adi panyi atem.
Duncan Williams
were di
Dr.
Richard Akache say nipa no kra no
or fake doctor.
That was a serious issue.
Yeah, you were even expecting the man to take him on.
That is it. And then I said, show leadership because this person is supporting you.
So that comment was serious.
Yes, it was a serious comment.
I think I get it now. Yeah.
But what happened? I was now the victim here.
No,
left and right. Now I talk about Kennedy Agyapong. The following day, I've never seen any of the Ken guys attacking me.
Wow.
Rather, they right to distance and say that we don't support this nonsense.
Because I say, Oberblase Kennedy Pao. Say, and someone attach here can be no credit.
Yes.
I was expecting Ken Ofori Atta.
Yes.
But it looks like, said the system was calm.
You see, that is because Ken Ofori Atta maybe. They are learning.
Okay.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Me makacho say, Omu 5 ni obi obebe bia no. Hallelujah. Obi minim no.
Okay.
But when I'm discussing issues, it is for the sake of posterity. Because me pesa obeka say me twan kontompo anasa my
Of course.
It's not right.
Yeah.
It's not right. What have I got to do with all these things happening? One will be able to do about it.
Oh.
Oh, Bema, also what would the now would do up. Now we are sebi. Obaka dawo yere so. Adeba kwa me time no.
In class 7 na.
What you say? Sa
No bad that catch enkrofo. Enye nchani bie.
Kwa ye krasini.
Nchani bie. Ana baby ode ko fire no. Some panyifo kwa me pese be say abo me because you are saying too much.
Na sebi Adwoa Safo is a beautiful woman.
Yeah.
She na me say oba no ho ofe. Enye easy.
No problem. I say oba you well endowed.
Onye easy because at every point in time ne TikTok for Owusu. Boys are word messages are umunya.
Of course. The WhatsApp message.
So enye easy. So when they decide and no idea na dey timude bi nso ba.
Yeah.
Ekofa nyoma bebreba because of feel say oh you say yeah. It is not easy. Dwell with them according to understanding.
But the other side of this discussion is who says our comment be saying a man marginalize one person with politics. Because a man what Ghana has say yeah more from your politics. One way or the other, all of them have suffered this before. Yes. We need to condemn it.
Yes.
Your brainy one man be obe rap politics, maybe your money yimpa. Na ya de saa sabi in class niema we e push up back. E ti chile baby oba bi ni made pa oba politics maba boy. No me nko ye o. Na china ga be twa ntwa to say me ni we yada.
And it's happening. Once I ka say society for ni bebre wo ho munyini ye. Na bo se panyin kra na e wasan ko ohu nyansa no. Onu mom kra na e di sa nkwasesem. You understand? And enye ni bie honestly. Enye ni bie. There are a lot of things a man go through. And okabi bi of say o na man de obia be bia will experience with a nasty behavior of a woman.
Of course.
You understand? And yes, say ka say man you say we have had it clean with how they have behaved towards us.
Of course.
Say ya de nyoma bia ye nyina omu de atwi ani na ekuma.
Nke be bloody.
Anka ye mu bi kra de nka ehu ma kra wasanka ye hye mu. But what can you do? Ebi ye. What bompa say ya me be domo de ye. But Bema de only do about a month funny na. Debi.
So are you expecting Adwoa Safo to take him on?
Adwoa Safo, I'm sure so yeah. When who say what ache.
Next is on your first time will be
no say I mean what ache. You understand? And I'm say Adwoa Safo say only a member 10 ebeda e na asem enya wo na be judge. What you say? Because morality is subjective.
Of course.
People must understand.
Yeah. We learned that what is moral for you may not be moral for me.
What you say? We a Christian ya try 1:1. One man, one wife.
But I call different religion.
Ojitum se
be one man, 3 wives.
Ojitum se sa de ne beboa.
Yeah.
What you say? Omonzo mo Bible na no mo ye bebre Nyankopon so hira wo.
Of course.
So what are you talking about? Do no wawari bebre no wo Dubai na se for Nyankopon hira no. Enti what is it that you are saying say the fact say me ware baako enti nyame be hira me attend wawari enan. Your morals is not my morals.
Of course.
You understand? It's not for you to judge. Yeah, Papa Duncan Williams. Eduru baby na yere tete no mu jaye no. Anointing afri ho. On ware foforo.
That's all.
Omuntu aso. Enyoma ni bi wo ho a ye kan Bible ne esi ni tirase. Me tete me yere. Me bunu. Me tete no.
So still on tram.
Now say me nja aware.
So we what to. Kojo, how well can the NPP address issues like this? And now we dey unse bibi se no kasa
NPP enam so mo be wie no na omani wa obi ombeyin whether Ken or whatever no na ne ton na ye di.
Oh,
because enakra internet o internet say graphic de bia ya no bi kwotwe graphic ni hobby
internet no digital
internet nti asemi abeka bia no ene e frɛ no digital footprint ewo ho
yes forever
let digital ewo ho
because Kwaku Addo Safo enipa o imagine say Kennedy win. Now you need everybody to come on board to campaign for the 2028 election. Do you genuinely think Adwo Safo be in him?
And I've said that NPP and the MP Bawumia Ken omo mienu nyina obi wini bia no emwa party no not because Ken cannot do or Bawumia cannot do but oma say wo mo ho na wo de ne ba be ade a wa say na wo de ne ba be kire yen Ghana say they are delegates ti delegate betimi oh Bawumia oh Ken ma say na wi ba na munim sansam na mo ka no e da internet so obi anzo hwe bi
o
enti wonya wie na afo be ka say me ne Bawumia nie na Ken nipa sha say oh Bawumia ono na eko na ye politics na we die ayi funtum dantem frumfamfu enjanjanjanfru na wa be ka sansam hunu na ene be ka che say da bi de o kan no ye no kre de o ka fa Ken ho no ye no kre o se Ken ya pai ni tirim
ayen operation but na bi no mutimi ka
to abodam
bi no mutimi ka
Bawumia we say oh Jesus
funtum frafu denchefrafu o mo free ba ko mu didi ara mo ko ayin de mo ori perense hunu de apentokwa ko oso tekra say tekra man sen kura te ba ko peso mo ko ntokwa ana funtum frafu denchefrafu de be saa no makabe
me de
hunu na wie
de minim ne say de omu ye nyina ye record
oh yes
and so mama obia meka se na na jai because once you share say ye
total record
ni hwan ni e bob back no they thought say we were joking
yes
when we were reminding people 2012 na Akufo Addo I we na hwan ka say no then obviously
omu twabo
ai
omo so na aka omo so na wo mu di atem
ai omu ntiase
hey we dey check na breaking news aba say the lord John Kuma
the
wife
yeah
the Vivian
yeah
so wasa kunya ne dofo foforo makabom
this aware
na so we dey kana na kenye news but ententa video so bi a kire na adwen anete ne ngofo kire ma adwen obi na anya ne kunu akọware do
I say Bible say agi ewu na betete me ne wontam
na ne kunu afrim nti atete o montam
nti se enya ye saa de ne se oringi ni eje yawie
okay
but kuna no e 1 year yes
okay
and na ni kunu nso wui March no
yeah 2024
and I think say ye na yi I don't know where ye but
I can check
check it check it no na bia da be ye ni funeral you know na ye check ni hu say the funeral no na da be na afi ye permutation and combination ye ho ahoy
May
18 aha and she say May 18 na e che say 1 year April May so June July August September October November December
there is 1.5 years
yes and traditionally yeah fair so to me worry
but for the optics
yes and you establishing that fact
okay
say owo na tete wa wutimi worry
okay
ba kuna nti e ya afe baako
okay
sana mpenifo de ahyehe ho yes
and we Ghana man say
traditional kuna ne ye 1 year
okay
after 1 year no na wayi wo black no ahye watade bia na che say
and you be black ne sa 1 year
abesha black ne sa 1 ai so wudi kuna
wow
yes
honestly I never knew
yeah wo be black na afe baako nti afe baako na de nyame ase na mokoyi mokoye nna no say no na mokobie 1 year anniversary ni bie wi a afe de na wo nso wade wo ho
okay
yie se afe de wutimi eware na once me nkrofo asem na me nka bi
yeah especially mawo
ma me nka bi but we no wan hwe ya nipa ni masem ka ebe kwa akotwe nsem bebre aba
especially when you take so fast free
ebe kwa akope bibi aba because nsem bebre ba ye during those processes what dey say eye John Kuma as a person ni na sefo ni na asem nti anka we dey enka ngo bia asem
of course
but ekobasa ya nyere wu mienu
yeah sitting member of parliament former deputy finance minister
na some kan wie ye
what is what a boom yes afede na wa phone na so
confirm ye nya wie ye see poison no se obi na ku no
so obi
na no vice president
yes yeah
na some no still like ye nya wie yo the investigative aspect no kra ye nya wie yo intinka no be twempra wo betimi
yes I'm planted there it's allowed
what you see
especially wo ma na wo ya adult
maybe o do kra de nkari aware ye density ye what you see wo betimi ni nipa is done
yeah
you understand okay ebi o yesofu ni nti o mpese obeye basa but the circumstances no
yeah wo ho no public figure na no worry
totally
because e buy no uko internet no sana nkofo bebe na ka
totally
allege a lot of allegations
and no make say yes o yesa na yete se unitima nipa ni masem kan
oh yes
o yesa na unitima
na nipa na ye kan asem no free mu no na eye nkofo mama ye hu ya nta jonkuba no so te afi wa be fon afi de boom ana unua wo wuntumi ohene ba kwa interview bi ana say the platform aso whole lot of allegations ana ba bia onu free ko so be wuntumi ana obo wuntumi so din ka ho ye mankofo jasem ni di yes mankofo jasem no kan ni di oh nti circumstances wo ni wo no ho ne de nkofo kan no say de wo kan no whatever decision that you make post
it's important
yes
you work over 2-3 years and I drew baby be man no ene won ne wo ho obi ani asem but I will be shocked say be 7 months because so you say na say na kunanum na wo twempana
oh da bi da ne nchesa
da bi o say 1 year 7 months so baby ni ekai it won ne twe 7 months in plan
say I bet my 7 months in plan I bet you guy 1 month na say na ne dey obi bet ma share oba 1 month no ware no are ni ho obi shi obi 3 months no ko ware no
sa
are unti bi da
meti yeah but asem nti
asem ne ka dey
ne well ene me pesa me ka asem bi kire yewura Dr. Bawumia mbajo papa tie me you are a fine gentleman ade ba ko a minimu kakra ne se onye obi apɛ basabasa edin pa so bebie wano apart from political talks kakra ne se wo didi obi atem that is not your hallmark obeye de obetimi aye from 2008 now some NPP 2016 yete wonka and abeye vice president de na betimi aye oye de o femu wa wasem yemu bi yaka what happen say enyo ni bi wo ho a ya ma okwan mo anye yenim say enyo ni bi wo ho a Ken Ofori Atta Ejibon so wa ma okwan mo anye nanso ye vice president de na betimi aye 33 policies ade baaye no otimi ye de obeye nsem ne bebre wo ho a wo kan ye nanso Ghana forecast say onye the right candidate but one kasa as a person obi a oben obi anim say ompe basabasa undidi atem ena wodo nipa ena wobu ade sa na wotie na yera Dr. Bawumia odam mama mintu kakra me akra de wanyi cheme Abronye begu party no ene wo support Abronye ogu anima ase wama wo animu nyama kofom yera Dr. Bawumia Abronye ama wo animu nyam akofom na party na enya akono no Abronye se sen ena wo se wo campaign Minyi ni se wachre se uye leader. Dr. Bawumia. Papa minyi ni se wachre se uye leader. I don't think say ubetimi lead Ghana. Because unshow leadership. Ewo party, especially one now womu didi nkrofo atem because of you. Minim se won kanchiro bi se onko didi atem. Nanso panyi a otena fie ama yeguso ewe nanka no ka ho bi. Se Abronye timi didi atem ko didi kofo atem, edidi Dr. Richard Anani atem, edidi obi atem because of wuwuntia. Then you are not a leader, Dr. Bawumia. You don't qualify to lead NPP. I am highly disappointed in you, Dr. Bawumia. I am very, very disappointed in you this morning. You don't deserve to be a leader in NPP. Very disappointed. You are not showing leadership. When you show, you can't be a leader. You need to have control over your subordinates. We a leader now untimi ntia unkrofo. We a leader obi aye de ope. We a leader obi din se hunu de ahyew. We miawa no because enya wo na wo kan say na no so me de mamunfo obi hu asem. You are not a leader. Prove that you are a leader. Enti the president me show won sa na Abronye mu ene ne nam ho. Abronye mu na ebe decide ama wo. Yenka obi asem. Omu obi a obi obedi natem. Afidie waka akwa kasetia Dr. Anani because okoka say Abronye yewra kofo okoka top down approach no ebe ha adwinti. What did in attempt from akanse munu na akire no. Abronye de enim say our mental problem dada because obi a only mental problem onye de oye no. Na MPP agu me catch us MPP nya kono biem because who Abronye mu as a regional chairman na de obeka bia nya de asundie ba obi aka bibia obeka kansem hunu because as now Abronye, who is Abronye or Abronye ye hwan Abronye ye hwan o ye bema ben kwanti a MPP mu no enti memma ni MPP mu a Abronye timi kansem hunu no obi a he no ni asoso ne so ni ahye. Na me who MPP supported Bawumia, Dr. Bawumia nkrofo a wo mu defend Abronye nkwase asem na okeka ye no. This stupid act. And you guys are supporting him. Then you drew her. Then on Maya when near 2020 Ghana for Monche, these are the reasons why I say MPP Nyem Krofo was say ye di abamu 2028. We MPP near yanchi o maso, monchi o maso, sa because o munsia de. Party JFK kokasa so obia mu no. Obia kasa se obia mu obia wo party MPP party mu. Dr. Bawumia, you are not a leader. You are not a leader. You are not convincing me say the 2 minimum abeti me aye. I am highly disappointed in you. So they will make sure expecting you say and kabeti me aka wo buy na be you say media me ni obi ani asem media me ni obi asem etimamu nsho obi. You are not a leader. Unye leader, Dr. Bawumia, you are not a leader. Prove us wrong. The Nkofo kasa unye decisive no afina me yati ase. The Nkofo kan ye say unye obi a utimi do na gina from uyi unye o ane nya o ane no me yaje atum. Everybody obe disagree with Dr. Bawumia's camp, the people would insult him. Obia obeka say Dr. Bawumia say pe ni e dinatem na ne nkrofo be dinatem enti we leader untimi nka enti we president na Abronye dey communication wa hwan na say me na wo cancer mu sa ye nya ne hwe nkrofo e wo wunche nyina untimi discipline mu. When you are a leader there has to be an aura. So when you drew baby, you who's a difference womb. Unkyerɛ sɛ woyɛ leader. This is not how a leader must be. Airtime. Yentie deɛ Dr. Richard Annan ne kae. Abronye bedidi na tem from. This guy is sick. Oyare. He's sick. Abronye is sick. And Obian can't say I am normal. And no Dr. Bawumia so oyama. He is insulting people on your behalf. And the atema Abronye de bi okeka nsem hunu platform so SA party a whole MPP akofo mu chichiri yenie. Na nipa baako keka nsem hunu obi ntimi ntia no or kasama or campaign ma. And you cannot tell him that stop that nonsense. Because that is not the hallmark of MPP. Nano no ababe didi so for atema bishop keka nsem hunu saa. Ni ehwe no. Nya na Abronye. Abronye de what kind of life is this? What kind of culture is this? MPP party and Nimunyam party. Dr. Richard Annan ni kokande. Oya penyi ye ka MPP a wo Abronye na danta wan de begina so de ato aba. Ye kasapa MPP say Abronye dey na betimi a convince baby a wuti as a chairman unya asen wo ho. How many seats now to Minyai? What time? The whole Bruno Kikaboma one pet because of Musuba say. Nagana Nen Kano Cranka, Jane Ube Timiaka convince Ubi. Now what's the idea now to me for Nya service Jimmy? It is stupidity. So what's the idea? Untimi making impact. The obe kambia ye nyoma aye te say medium ye krasini medium de won beto to form medium info bia ho and Dr. Bawumia wo sha Abronye no ye din expecting you so betimi aka bibia che no but me ya jetum say you are not a leader. Dr. Bawumia, you cannot lead. MPP must advise themselves. I was saying MPP because on show leadership. This is not a leader. Dr. Bawumia is not showing leadership. Otchere says obey president obey weak because all the people around you are virtually insulting everybody that disagrees with you. Everybody that disagrees with you, Dr. Bawumia, your people will insult and you have kept quiet.
The chairman elected also.
Yentie Dr. Richard Annan. Papa ne da ho no. Okakasa ye one mini apanyi Kojo mafo ne kotwetwe nkomo wa abusia. Yentie wi anoma ba Abronye de no.
So see normally party no may I name from Mabonti. But me can we about a week or 2 weeks ago. Party no some meeting. President Akufo Kobi. And occasion will say, Saturday yes, top bottom of protein wine. What did he say? And yet, whoa. And she said, the chairman elected also no Bibintina Untimi and actors they also acting. It is a bear and Oma Bey chairman Omu get yes and Kayen Kaumina. So na the Kaumina Bomoa Nanka Yama Yati a group where Omu Bebe I'm a partner across. You know who reacted?
Where?
The Abronye for original chairman. We don't know.
Abronye?
Yes. Abronye party yet now Namahini. Abronye, what does it mean? I say, Ufako camp, Afoko Dino Weka, and then Asante Bediatuo. Oh. And she, say, Emma, and Nipo Mono, Omuhu Abronye Kaka. And a partner, the way acting chairman. I can chair President Forson or Panicho, a small can. Or mobile call Apodino, Nafi, Digway Abraham. No, Papa, no, baby, I want to tell you, I bring you up order. What's it? And some partner, I could do baby Edru. You pinning on a man near Cano. What is the buy?
Ain't we and Dr. Annan Kokai. It was a meeting. and no say yewura Akufo a ono on na ma party hwe ma menka no krankyere mo party na ye ka NPP Akufo ne ma NPP o party no ya akono no yewura dubu ahe try no Akufo 1996 Akufo Akufo omu ne ma party no ye ka party a ye mu bi yesu no Akufo ne hu omu yehu the way a party na akono yehu ye Akufo be ebeye utimi hu the aura won say ye di bibi ye wo president bi wo man ni mu ye bu on man Akufo no one nanso Akufo ma amemo ya akono despite the shortfalls samre ne mpanyufo a ne ebubo mu din a Dr. Richard Anane, Dr. Addo Kufo, Jake Obechebi Lamte, Safo Mav. Look at the caliber, natural leadership. Now Abronye wahi. Nanka samre nanka Abronye ubenya se beto chairman position ama NPP ayefo. Party ne asay egu. Yentie insemhuna Abronye ekokae just because Dr. Richard Anane akwa kase yeti party nawe yentie ne.
Dr. Richard Annan onye member of the National Executive Council and National Council. That is number one. Because ehona nyansafo na sia ehona Dr. Richard Annan onim sa nyansa na odeba National Council meeting. Ontias yesa. Sa meeting no enam se mi wo nyansa ntina mikobie. Wo Dr. Richard Annan. Sa meeting na nyansafo kwahia ye no wonka ho bi. Enti wo mabi. Richard Annan bibia no apart from say obey minister wo bo okro no nya sika teme unko school nteme the difference between me no Richard Annan say wo ye kromfo obey minister wo bo okro no nti wo sika teme apart from that unko school nteme time na medical doctor kura no na run prescription na de man krofo enu bone na twetwe panie bone na wo krofo mo omuwu nti get that. The fact is how benya minister bokro no nya sika che me ma Abronye no wonko school nteme enti bibia ana me no gina ho so a utimu say difference ne ye clear difference ye won
the difference ye clear ni say wabodam the difference ye clear between one and Dr. Richard Annan say wabodam me so mako school a che unti ma me ne unkasa say we say wako school che Dr. Minso mako school a che unti me pesa me tell say you are mad. One sem na wo kan no dambo because if you are not mad and Ghana police for sometimes I don't even get you Abronye aye damning revelation we catch obi so e kronfo that so to 24 hours you have not even picked the person so provide the evidence. I know Dr. Richard Anani and I know the clout. An astute medical doctor ne menyina medical doctor wa bobra our sum and the relevance is still felt. Abronye, the emphasis pan yenya fa wo so wo Ghana ha as Abronye as compared to Dr. Richard Anani. E the emphasis ye de wo to as Abronya me so makosku e je unti na make ansem na kire no. Say we say on kosku nti me de woni mi gina ho a me makosku che wo. Woni nyansa. Clearly NPP party no much less a money leadership and you are not even ready for power. And I'm to say many GFK can say MPP Besa by 2028. Yeah, Besa campaign yet. You don't even deserve to come close right now. Why? To come close to power, MPP. With this kind of attitude. That nipa ba kon say party. Nipa ba kon disrespect John Ajekumkufo. Dr. Anna ne no and munyam papa we abobra wo behalf. You are saying say what school kyerɛ no into a ball chrono and I support chrono all these years just because wakoka bibia ompene so into enene de oye kronfo and a drone or prescribe. Do you understand what you are talking about? Ghana police, why are you sitting down 24 hours you've not arrested him to come and provide evidence? IGP, please get serious. Abronye nyoma na okan ye no criminal implications no akeka one was enye so so ose oye kromfo obebo krono and adro kro prescribe no nso no enye adro papa. It means that Dr. Richard Annan criminal activities. I'm expecting senka anopay IGP and now police whoever aswa Abronye say unfair evidence in bra, and I will beg Dr. Richard Annan to sue him. What's he sue no? Jimini Yados dodo. The stupidity is getting out of hand. Now me blame Dr. Bawumia. You have not shown leadership. You are the cause of that, Dr. Bawumia. You are the cause of that. There's a reason why it's when we need 2024 no. Say ya to abama wan ka won show leadership. Dr. Bawumia, ya to abama wa ka won kire se uye leader. I'm highly disappointed in you this morning. Hey, NPP for medical catch them. Me medical catch them. Mo party no 2028 mu wini. Enti u party say Dr. Bawumia ya to abama na Abronye abegyina say yan toma no. Abronye. Na ewia na Dr. Bawumia ye ne den. Because these are the people who are likely to be around Dr. Bawumia when he becomes the president. Abronye, our Flagstaff House. Imagine some huna yebete. Hey, you are insulting Dr. Richard Annan. Papa wa bonebra. SC Hospital or de buan krofono. O pache say, doctor se wohono, criminal activities. Police. Mobema Abronye atena ho say ya. Mobema Abronye atena ho say ya. Ghana yenye serious o. Momani metre baby ohun said Dr. Richard Annan e de aduro bone e man krofo. Momani metre baby ohun say Dr. Richard Annan e wie sika. Na obo man ne krono. Mama asem we nye tra say yenja Abronye. No. Woye ne sai chese obi abetimi abodam akade ope na yenhwe no. NPP, tie, that is what I've told you. All the national executives, Obia was Mupamu Obia, national executives Nina, Mamu Nyaba Kokra, including my own brother JFK. Nobody, no executive right now, or what MPP mu, and there was some Musakosha Tomano. MPP party and Munyambe Moa, Mundi Kampamu, all the executives. Na Bunofo, Samosa Kotwa Bama, chairman. Namusa kotuma Abronye nesa munyina no yehu bebia mugina. What kind of nonsense is this? Dr. Richard Annan oye kromfo umobra se wa ko school chen because why kwaye law na wo obi akwaye law na aka nsem hunu sei lawyer ni. And I can't say medical doctor no o save nipa wo o law you won't mean yamfa so yet you wutum police for no why useless. Well, MPP for amukodi e chinchina meka sometimes say mama Ghana ho dono okodam na mugina ho free Abronye wey and muko yi no.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.